Bridgestone repair system begins with an assessment to identify if the damage to the tyre can be safely repaired and determine the best method to repair the damage. Once repairability is confirmed, there are 3 painstaking stages of preparation. Structural preparation, ensuring the internal components are safe, strong and durable, and the damage is within our safe repairing limitation. External preparation, in which the skill of the technician is vital in ensuring the minimum amount of rubber and structure is removed. And internal preparation, ensuring both sides of the damaged area are treated in readiness for bonding.
Our preparation is very, very detailed. It's vital to the performance of the repair in the field, so we need to achieve all the objectives for workmanship and material possible throughout the process. Therefore, each step is checked and signed off. If the objective is not achieved, it is reworked until it is achieved.
The repair surfaces are then texturized, cleaned and treated with a solution to excite adhesion. A special foundation rubber is stitched into the area before the fill rubbers are introduced. The patch is then carefully secured into position. After that, the curing begins.
To cure a repair, you must understand vulcanisation. Vulcanisation actually requires pressure, time, heat and free sulphur. These components can be adjusted, however, to get the characteristics in the rubber that you need to understand vulcanisation itself, and that's something Bridgestone does very, very well.
Once cured, the repair surface is profiled to achieve a consistent finish and marked in accordance with safety standards to signify that it has been repaired. It's then ready to go back into service. Tough, durable, and most importantly, safe.